Hello my dear students. Today in this video we are going to learn one beautiful poem. Before moving towards the poem, can you see the pictures here? What do you see in in these pictures? Here are some students, children are there. They are laughing. And so today's poet of the poem, William Blake, he tells us that not only human being but also all and each and every object of the nature is laughing in its own style. See, William Blake, he is describing that each and every object of the nature is laughing. Now, how can the forest laugh? Can the river laugh? Yes. And he says that yes, each and every object of the nature is laughing. And to feel it, we have to become a poet. See, in Hindi, one proverb is there that जहाँ न पहुँचे रवि वहाँ पहुँचे कवि. Ravi means sun. So he can make imagination of anything. And to understand it, we have to become a poet. So he tells us that each and every object of the nature is laughing. Though it is river, it is hill, grassland, children, or anyone. Every object of the nature is laughing. Now let us see how does he describe all these things in the poem. First, see, I will read the poem, then afterwards we will see meaning of the poem, explanation of the poem line by line. First, see, when the green woods laugh with the voice of joy, and the dimpling stream runs laughing by, when the air does laugh with our merry wit, and the green hill laughs with the noise of it, when the meadows laugh with the lovely green, and the grasshopper laughs in the merry scene, when Mary and Susan and Emily, with their sweet sound mouths, sing ha ha hey, when the painted birds laugh in the shade, where our table with cherries and nuts is spread, come live and be merry and join with me to sing the sweet chorus ha ha hey. So this is the poem Laughing Song by William Blake. So poet, in this poem, he is describing that each and every object of the nature is laughing. Now let us see how all these things are laughing in his poem. In the first stanza of the poem, see, poem carries 3 stanzas of 4 lines each. Poem carries the 3 stanzas of 4 lines each, and in this poem, how he is telling, how he is narrating that each and every object is laughing. Let us see. In the very beginning of the poem, he tells us that the way when the green woods laugh with the voice of joy. How can the green woods? So that everywhere greenery is there, and he is telling that they are laughing. It is the laughing song of the wood. Again, in the next line, he discusses that dimpling stream. When the stream is flowing, it is making different kinds of voice, different kinds of shapes. So it is laughing there. And he again described that when the wind blows at that time, while blowing, wind makes different kind of noise. So it makes different kinds of noise, and with the help of it, these green hills are happy with it. So in the second stanza of the poem, the poet is describing that these meadows means grasslands, prairies. So these meadows are everywhere greenery is there. As you can see in the picture, some girls are running there in the meadows. And these girls are poet described as Emily, Mary, and Susan. They are also laughing, and they are singing a laughing song. And he discusses that these meadows are laughing and the grasshopper, insect which lives in the grass. He is also happy with the laughing of these meadows. In this way, the poet is describing. And in the final stanza of the poem, poet is calling us that come and live with me, sing with me, come, live, be merry with me. And here, some in front of me, my table is there. Actually, he sat on the grassland and he is calling the grassland as his table. And on his table, some cherries, nuts are spread, and he is calling us that come with me and to sing a song, sing a chorus, ha ha hey. And in the second stanza of the poem, he again describes that the girls, Emily, Mary, and Susan, they are also laughing. So in this way, poet William Blake, he is describing that each and every object of the nature is laughing. So he describes like that. If you like the poem, please reply me. Thank you very much.